The Russian Foreign Intelligence Service has said the United States is actively recruiting members of international terrorist organizations, including the Islamic State, as mercenaries to fight in Ukraine. The SVR said in a recent statement, in April this year, about 60 ISIS militants aged 20 to 25 were released from prisons controlled by the Syrian Kurds with the participation of American intelligence services. According to a statement, they were transferred to the U.S. military base Al-Taf, located in Syria near the border with Jordan and Iraq, for combat training with a view to subsequent delivery to Ukraine. The Russian parliament passed a bill on Wednesday to scrap the upper age limit for those who want to serve in the army under contract. Previously, Russian citizens aged 18 to 40 and foreigners aged 18 to 30 were entitled to conclude the first contract for military service. Now those who are older will be able to serve under contract on the end of the working age, said Russia's lower parliament house, the State Duma. Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a decree on Wednesday to simplify the procedure for residents in the Zaporizhzhia and Kherson regions in southern Ukraine to apply for Russian citizenship. Putin signed the document to amend an April 2019 decree expanding the favorable terms from serving Donetsk and Lugansk residents to covering people of the current 4 places. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky said on Wednesday that the end of the conflict in Ukraine depends on the West's position on aid to Kiev and Russia's desire to sit down at the negotiating table. There will be a peace process in any case after the military part of the conflict is over, Zelensky said, adding he supports holding peace talks with Putin without any mediators.